System Pavers is back. I love when you guys come. There's their logo. I mean, you guys are amazing. Let everybody know before we get into this topic, which is how to create a courtyard garden escape. Exactly what do you guys do?
System Pavers, we are outdoor living design company that is, our goal is to build around you, create beautiful spaces that you're going to love and enjoy for generations to come, and focus on quality, durability, and service. That's what we're there for.
Love it. All right. So our outdoor escape areas, that's what you're creating. You're creating these places. Really extends the home. I mean, you're creating another room.
Yeah, it's a huge value adder to your property, right? To add some space that you can use year-round. We're talking about courtyards today. Courtyards are a space to kind of get away from it all, right? You come home, it's been a long day, you want to go relax in a space that feels, feels inclusive, feels separated from everything, feels personal. So we do that with paver space, with walls around there, planning for some gardening around there to kind of make you feel private in there. And kind of escape, it's an escape zone.
Man, I love that house. Is that your house?
I wish, come on.
Right, me too. That is amazing, but when you're talking about courtyards, that's the ultimate. Get outside and enjoy. How do we start? Where do we start if somebody wants to kind of
give us a call? Give us a call. Go online, look at our pictures, go on our social media, look at our pictures there. Follow us on there. We post all the time showing new examples of what we're doing out there, and then get us out there. First step is get us out there. Tell us what you love. Tell us what you want, what your dreams are. Our design consultants are going to come out there and see if we can make it a reality for you.
I feel like you said too before that they do want to spend some time to get to know, right? They probably ask a lot of questions, very curious about what the homeowner or homeowners want out of that space. Because it's a very personal process.
Every house is different, every homeowner is different, what their needs are different, what their wants are different. So when we come out, we're gonna spend a lot of time getting to know you, getting to know your family. Do you have kids? Do you have dogs? Do you entertain a lot? Are you more individual? What do you
playing with slime?
Are you playing with slime? Do we have to be careful about the turf?
Make sure to wet it down so it doesn't stick. That's all. That's what I've learned.
Activate.
Gotta activate.
Exactly. And then our goal is to take what you've told us, all of our expertise, all of our material expertise, and design the dream and make it happen for you.
I love that. All right, people are going, all right, this has got to cost a lot of money, and it probably doesn't, but you have an amazing deal, saving people up to $8,600 possibly?
One of our best promotions going on right now, free demolition. We've got wonderful financing options available for people, and we will come out and we will find the right project for you.
That's incredible.
That's really amazing.
And we've learned a little bit more. I mean, we're talking about these outdoor escape areas right now, but I mean, you offer a lot of different services.
Yes, we've got pavers, turf, barbecues, stairs and walls, pergolas, fire pits, fireplaces, water features. Anything you can think of to make your home your own private resort, we want to help you out do that. We want to make it marry the home to the land. We want to make it yours and make it your individual space for you.
Yeah, and I'm guessing the size of the space is going to determine maybe how long it's going to take. But how long would something generally take to do one of these things?
I mean, your smaller projects, we can get those done in a few days. A driveway, walkway, we can get those done in 3 to 5 days.
Love that.
Big transformation like some of those you saw. Plan on a couple months worth of work at times. Especially if you start to get permitting involved and things like that. They can go on.
I want to party at that guy's house.
Me too. I can get you his number.
Right. Let's do it.
We got the special offer. Contacting as easy as a website, making a call too.
Website, phone call, social media, reach out. We will get to you quickly. We will get out there quickly. We will show you how to, create a beautiful space for yourself, and we're going to help you out.
When you created the slime outside in the lobby, what was your slime name?
Oh, well, actually, she created a beautiful slime for me that was a nice aqua color. So I would maybe call it, I don't know, aquamarine or ocean love, something like that.
Love.
Backyard cool.
Backyard cool, I like it.
System blue.
Turf 2.0. No.
System paver blue. Right, something like that.
You need a little red. Thanks again for coming in, Alec.
Yeah,
appreciate it, man, for sure. System Pavers, you can see all that information there, website, socials, everything you need to start that job today and take advantage of that special offer.
And Alec, that house, we can do a story in his backyard. Let's talk to you about that, right? We'll take it on the road, Scott.
Us sitting on the patio?
Yes,
I'm in.
Absolutely.
I'm in.